Zopo has debuted in India with the launch of its flagship offering, the Speed 7. We were there to witness its launch and got some time to spend with the device to share our initial impressions. The Speed 7 is built around a 5-inch display, making it an ideal option for one-hand usage. Extremely narrow bezels around the display, slim frame, and rounded corners make the device feel even more compact. The 5-inch IPS display panel features a screen resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 441 ppi. It reproduces vibrant colors and the text also appears quite crisp. The device has minimal design attributes with only the earpiece, front snapper, and a couple of sensors above the display and the brand's logo below. The navigation keys are available as part of the interface. Both the volume rocker and the power switch can be found on the right spine, while the left spine is completely barren. The 3.5mm audio socket is at the top, whereas the micro USB port is present at the bottom along with the primary microphone. The removable back panel features a smooth finish with a design pattern. Here you will find the primary camera that protrudes slightly along with an LED flash. Towards the middle there is a Zopo logo, while the speaker mesh is further down below. Zopo Speed 7 is a performance powerhouse and comes equipped with the MediaTek 64-bit octa-core chipset coupled with a generous 3GB of RAM. In our brief time with the phone, there was not even a single instance where we felt the device was lagging. For taking care of your storage requirements, the Zopo Speed 7 ships with 16 gigs of memory on board, out of which around 10 GB is available to use. There's an option to extend it further with the use of a microSD card. At the back of the Zopo Speed 7, you'll find a 13-megapixel snapper that is supplemented by an LED flash. For selfies, the phone sports a 5-megapixel camera. The device comes with the standard Android camera app which offers the usual modes. The Zopo Speed 7 runs Android 5.1 Lollipop with the brand's custom skin called ZUI on top. There are also some additional features such as support for screen-off gestures, allowing you to double tap to wake up the smartphone or draw certain letters to open apps. In terms of preloaded content, the phone comes with titles such as Apple Launcher, Facebook, Opera, Skype, and more. In the connectivity department, the handset offers dual SIM support, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. The Zopo Speed 7 draws juice from a 2500 mAh user-replaceable battery. The Zopo Speed 7 is priced attractively at Rs 12,999. It will be facing tough competition in the form of the Xiaomi Mi 4i and the 3rd Gen Moto G if one is looking for compact phones. However, the smartphone should be able to stand out amidst the rival with its 3GB of RAM, as it's among the most affordable devices with this capacity of RAM.